Hi everyone. Thanks for stopping by and spending a little bit of your day with me. Guess what? I was tagged. Yes, I was tagged by Cricket from the channel Cooking with Cricket. And this is called what is it called? A silly food tag or a crazy food tag? What is it called, cameraman?
Crazy food tag.
Crazy food tag. So I'm going to get started with it, and my cameraman is going to ask me the questions. So let's go.
Are you ready, Diva?
Yes, I am.
Number 1. What food would you eat each day?
Well, there's a lot of good food, but I'm going to say pasta or mac and cheese.
Number 2. What is your favorite restaurant?
Carmine's. Fantastic Italian restaurant. There's one in New York City and one in Atlantic City, and they have the best stuffed artichokes in the world.
Okay, number 3, somewhat related. What city has the best food you have ever had?
Well, I guess I'll go back to New York City.
Okay, number 4. This is right up your alley. What do you get on your sub?
I'm Italian, so I go with the Italian sub. Lettuce, tomato, onions, vinegar, oil, salami, cheese, and whatever, but no hot peppers.
Number 5. What do you usually get on your pizza?
My pizza, cheese, double cheese, or pepperoni.
Number 6. Is there a food you have always wanted to try?
Not really. If I want to try a food, I try it, so no.
7. What has been your worst restaurant experience?
Oh, God. Eating in a luncheonette with the cameraman near my home. We got a sandwich and fries, and when the fries came, there was a cigarette butt in the fries. Right, cameraman? It was disgusting.
Right, Diva.
So that was the worst. And of course, there's always the hair in the food.
But it was a menthol cigarette butt, so it added a little bit of flavor to the fries. Okay, number 8. Who was the better cook, your mom or your dad?
Well, coming from an Italian family, my dad didn't really do much cooking, so it was definitely my mom.
Number 9. What is the one food you just fail at making?
I don't know. Do you have an answer for that, cameraman?
I certainly do not.
No, I don't know. Usually whatever I try comes out okay. So I don't know. I'm going to pass on that one.
Number 10. What are your least favorite foods?
Liver. Don't even cook liver in the same room as me. And also most seafood. Anything that's in shells and it's moving around and no. I don't like seafood. I can eat fried shrimp, shrimp cocktail, albacore tuna, but fish, no.
Number 11. Raw or cooked veggies?
Depends on what they are. I like both, but I prefer cooked.
12. How do you like your steak?
Well done.
13. Do you enjoy cooking or baking better?
Now, what do you think? I'm the Baking Diva. Baking.
14. What is your favorite fast food place?
I don't eat a lot of fast food. And I'm kind of going by what we have in our area, so I guess I would have to say Wendy's.
15. Name a food place you wish were closer to you.
Carmine's. I would eat there every day.
16. What is your ultimate favorite dessert?
I'm Italian, so I love cannolis. Cannolis. And anything with cannoli filling.
17. Do you prefer the chocolate cannolis or the white cannolis?
White? White cannolis.
Okay. Do you have any exotic ideas in mind about traveling the world to search out different food types?
No.
19. What was the first food that comes to mind now?
First food that comes to mind now? Just any food?
Yes.
I'm kind of hungry and we're going to Outback, so I'm going to say steak.
Well done, steak?
Yes.
20. Do you have any weird food habits?
Well, I don't know if you call this a weird food habit, but I cannot stand when you serve me food and we're in a restaurant, and before I even get a chance to start eating it, the people or the person I'm with looks at my dish and says, "Oh, that looks good. Oh, let me taste that." And they taste it. No, don't eat off my plate. Eat off your own plate. If I want to offer you the food, or I want to say, "Do you want to taste this?" That's fine, but don't start eating my food before I eat it. What can I tell you?
22. What is one food you'll never try?
Any kind of those, I don't know what you call them, those intestines that people eat from animals. Any kind of those organs. No. No organ meat like that.
23. Do you know your best friend's favorite food?
Well, I don't know her favorite food, but my friend Kathy loves to go to Cracker Barrel. And when they go there, they love to go on the day when they serve those nice turkey dinners.
24. What's the best thing your mom ever made?
I don't know. She was a good cook. But she made something that I really don't know how to make, and it was unusual. But it was spare ribs, and she had it in the pot on the stove, had like a red gravy or sauce in it, and there was escarole in it, and she cooked it all down, and it may not sound good, but it was delicious. And to this day, I can't make it the way she makes it. And if she would ask me what I wanted for my birthday, I'd always tell her to make that.
25. Here's an easy one. What is your favorite style of eggs? Scrambled, poached, boiled, over easy, sunny side up, or something else?
Can I name something that's not on that list? I love deviled eggs, but I also loved poached eggs on just nice rye or wheat toast or on an English muffin.
26.
We almost done?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go.
What is your favorite restaurant that is now closed?
Well, there used to be a restaurant not far from our house, and everybody in town used to go there. It was great for breakfast. It was IHOP. I don't know if any of you have any IHOPs near you. They closed it down, like it was a fire in there, and they closed it down. Like how many years ago, cameraman?
My God, 10 or 15.
And the building is still sitting there. They never put anything in there, and they never rebuilt it. So I kind of miss that IHOP.
27. Do you like your bread toasted, light, or dark?
Light. No dark toast.
28. Do you like spicy foods?
No.
29 has been answered several times, but
Well, I didn't make up the
do you
tag.
like seafood?
No.
Okay, number 30, and this is the end.
Alrighty.
What food comes immediately to mind that is green?
Broccoli. All right. Great job, cameraman. Thank you. So now it's my turn to tag someone. So I'm going to tag two people. One of them is not in the baking or cooking community. She's in the mature women's beauty community, but she always told me that someday she wishes to start another channel, a cooking channel. And so I'm going to name her. Her name is Kathy A. It's A-A-Y. So I hope she'll take me up on this crazy food challenge or tag. And the other one I'm going to name is a fairly new channel. He's a baker, and I hope he'll take me up on this tag, and you'll all go over and show him a little love and hit that subscribe button for him. And his channel is This Dude Bakes, and he is a baker. He bakes fantastic things. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tag, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you follow me on this baking and this crazy journey. Hit the thumbs up button. I'll make a comment. And I guess that's all for now. So do those tags. Have a great day. And I will say, toodles!